our next session, which is how to create a fundable startup. दोस्तों, fundable startup हम सबका dream होता है, because we have some ideas, some innovation, and now we want to launch our business in a big way. Don't worry, Jito Business Network में इसका भी समाधान है, and we are thankful for GIF team. Now GIF team is with us. I welcome Ms. Pooja, and also from GIF team we have Anup ji. Pooja, if Anup ji has joined,
has joined in. Jai Jinendra everyone, and very good evening to all. Anup, our Vice Chairman, is also here. Request the host to please allow him to unmute and show his video.
And before we start, let me formally, thanks GIF team, Anup ji, to be with us. And any inquiry regarding the previous session, all the details have been shared with the convener and co-convener group. And now let us move to our next session. We are a little bit late, 3-4 minutes, but I'm sure we will catch it up soon. So, startup. What is startup? First of all, startup शुरू करने की कोई एज नहीं होती है. You can start your startup even at the age of 60, 70, or even at the age of 20 or 18. But how to do it? Who will fund in your venture? Venture में invest करते समय investor क्या-क्या देखते हैं? उनको pitch deck कैसे बनाना है? Elevator pitch कैसे बनाना है? तो today we have Anup Mehta ji. Anup ji, over to you. I would like Anup ji and Pooja ji to take us through the entire journey of GIF and Jito Angel Network कि हम इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं.
Certainly. Thank you so much, Rishabh ji. Jai Jinendra everyone. And special Jai Jinendra to Narendra ji, our XY chairman of GIF, who's started the initiative, under whose leadership we started the initiative, and today we are here. So very nice to see you here, Narendra ji. Anup has shared his screen. Anup has been associated with Jito Incubation Innovation Foundation since the beginning, for that matter. He has been very closely associated. He's now the vice chairman of JIF in the startup ecosystems. His blood, he breathes through the ecosystem. He knows what GIF does, what the ecosystem requires, what startup as an entrepreneur needs, and what investor needs to know and understand while investing in a startup. In today's session, Anup is going to take us through how important it is to make a right deck to impress your investors. What are the important factors to have in your deck to have the investors say on the table yes to invest in you, and how important it is for the founders to finish their pitch sell their pitch or the product for investment in less than a minute or two. So today I'm handing over it to Mr. Anup Mehta, the Vice Chairman of Jito Incubation and Innovation Chairman, Jito Incubation Innovation Foundation, to take the lead and appraise you all on how to make a winning speech and elevator deck for startups.
We're DoorDash, and we enable every restaurant to deliver. For customers, we offer restaurant food delivery in under 45 minutes. For restaurant owners, we provide our own drivers, and we manage the logistics of delivery.
And can you increase the volume?
Food delivery is a solved problem. But if you live in Menlo Park or Palo Alto, no just about no restaurant in this area delivers. Therefore, services like Seamless or Grubhub, which merely aggregate menus but don't 70% of the United States live in areas where restaurants don't deliver. Now, there are courier services who are sending people to place takeout orders on your behalf. But because they don't partner with the merchants, they are slower and structurally more expensive. We're the only company in this space that manages both our own logistics and partners with the merchants. We figured out the model to make consumer deliveries work. Because we control the entire experience of delivery, we offer the best performance at the same cost. When an order is made in our system, it gets placed immediately at an iPad at the restaurant. We've also built logistics software to make it dead simple for any driver to onboard into our network. Our logistics model is winning. In over 35
Pooja ji, I'll request if you can share the link of this video. Many people are not able to hear.
Better than our peers. But unlike our peers who operate in the cities, we did this in the suburb of Palo Alto, an area that's much more spread out and more difficult. Because of
Hi,
the service,
we're DoorDash.
our weekly orders by over 30% week over week. And we've already generated over $1.5 million in annual sales for our restaurants. We've figured out how to make consumer deliveries work. Our growth proves that. But what's more,
Put it on chat box.
and logistics software enables us to even go beyond food. If you were building the FedEx of today to manage local deliveries wouldn't happen overnight or even same day. They would happen on demand. And that's what we're building at DoorDash. If you're interested in hearing more, please come find us afterwards.
Yeah, sorry, I think the audio was not too clear, but the idea to show this basically as a pitch deck was one that how important it is in a very short time. You would kind of show what you're doing to the investor and at the same time gain interest in less than 2 minutes of time. So, Jai Jinendra, everyone. You can see my screen, everyone, once again.
Yes.
Thank you. Myself, Anup Mehta, serving as Vice Chairman at GIF. But today, what I'm going to talk about is more about how a journey from idea to startup formation happens, and what are the initial key elements one needs to take care when it comes to that. So the pitch what you just saw is a company जिसका नाम डोल डैश है जो सैन फ्रांसिस्को यूएस में है. 2013 में इन्होंने पहली बार पिच किया था और इन्होंने जब पिच किया था उनको फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट मिला था $2.4 million and today the company is listed on Nasdaq and it listed in December 2020 at a valuation of around $40 billion. The market capitalization value was, and today it is trading at around market valuation of $60 billion, which is 5 lakh crore के आसपास Indian money terms में. But that is not the fact today I am driving out here. I am trying to tell you what is the journey from startup ideation to actually creating a startup and then later on to an exit. So, friends, the idea is that when any startup founder, when they create a company, they start with a basic idea. The important part is that when that idea comes to their mind, how do they actually are uh, conceptualizing that idea into execution stage. So I think there are a lot many people who believe that we have come up with this idea, but we are not supposed to share it with others, etc., etc. But I think that is today the thing of the past. Like idea is important, but the execution is much more important than that. So you have to understand first of all what is that problem statement. Every time you have analyzed why you want to do that, answer those questions and then formulate what you are actually doing. And only if you are passionate about your idea, then go ahead with to the next step. So the next step will be like gathering basic feedback, and that feedback is going to be from your friends, your family, and then finally what your customer segment is going to be. So you have to ask for candid feedback on the idea what you are promoting, and then go forward and understand what the opinions of people early on are coming, and accordingly streamline your idea. Once you are through that, you are having some basic idea with you, you come to a stage where you develop an MVP. MVP बोलेंगे minimum viable product. So जिसके अंदर आपको समझना है कि what kind of actual product will be, what is the service you are going to offer or the product, or what value you are going to create for the customer who's you are going to serve. So at that point in time, you need to understand that you need to frugally build बहुत ही कम खर्चे में ideally you have to build that minimum viable product so that you can kind of get some kind of market validation out of that. So early on, एक market validation जिसको हम बोलेंगे, so एक you can take a very small segment of market. So if your product is something which is in a physical environment and you need to sell it, say in particular area. So if say believe you are in Mumbai, you can start with a small area, say Mumbai Andheri, and you can ask your customers about this particular product, what they understand, what they believe, and in a small way, do a small pre-launch of that product with those particular people, keeping in mind and always gathering information from them, whether that product is really needed, is there a similar product in the market which is already there, and why someone will buy your product? What is the differentiation you will bring on the table that they are going to buy your product or service? So that is something you will have to do. At the same time, test the product, ask people questions about it. What do you expect out of the product? Once you have that certain data points आपके पास हो गए, उसके बाद में आपको समझना है कि how you will make some adjustments to that product. So once you are there, you understand, you make some adjustments to the product, and then you are there in the market. And then the next stage is ideally is to just grow that geography. It may be in terms of physical geography or online geography, whenever it comes to that. And then you go to the next level where you are going to market it to a larger group of people. And that's where once you realize that your business is a scalable business, you are now ready to take it to the next level. And that's where I think you are going to feel a need to be going out in the market and understand that what actually is the standing in the for the product, and what kind of, if you need some funding to raise initial seed capital or pre-seed capital, it can be a friends and family round what you can raise at early round. So that's the point. I think you will have to make that call. And once you make that call, the point of today's session, what I want to bring about is that you need to really understand that you need to be pitching yourself to your customers, you have to be pitching yourself to investors. And moreover, I think you will also have to pitch yourself to the founding team members. I think that's also a most important part. One needs to understand that making a team early on is half battle won. A good team, if you can make early on, that's the key point. So at every point in time, you will have to pitch yourself, getting good co-founders for yourself. If say you are a tech background person, you would need someone who is in marketing or a business background person. So you will have to go forward, meet different kind of people, network with people, and pitch yourself and find yourself a good team going out there. So once you are there, so the point is that how do you really make a pitch? So you're going to early on introduce yourself and let people know that what exactly you're doing, why you're doing, what is the reason for something like this. So on the screen, if you can see, there are just 5 lines, and a 1 minute pitch, or someone would call an elevator pitch. मतलब आप लिफ्ट में एक फ्लोर से 10 फ्लोर तक जा रहे हो, तो उस उतने टाइम में if you just want to explain yourself to someone, that is what we call as an elevator pitch. And it is very, very important, not only for a startup, I believe, but every business, every profession, for everybody, whatever we are doing. I think in these 1 minute, if we can explain what we are doing and why we are doing, that's about the important aspect when you can, gain more interest from anybody to talk more in detail. So it's just about, the first point says what you are developing, what is the name of your company, what is your defined audience, and what problem you are solving, and why you. So what is the secret sauce? There are other people in the market, so why you? So as I said, we are competing in a defined market. There is a value of the market, which means that what is the complete market size for what you are doing, and at the same time, who are the similar people who are there or doing it in a similar manner, or same businesses in say in traditional manners, right? So that's where you have to come up with a differentiator within that one line or one word, right? And what is the current state of the company? What is the a weekly or a monthly growth what you are having as a company? And finally, what you are looking out for, and what is the current need. So this has to be precise, and it has to be like in less than a minute is something what you need to explain to anybody. So uh, so we just took an example of a company called DoorDash, as I said. This was so if you equate the same thing of this company, that what this company is doing this is like a company which is Swiggy in India. So they started in 2013, and currently, as I said, they already have given exit to their investors and to themselves, and they're listed on the market. So in 2013, they pitched themselves to a set of angel investors who funded them there and then, and there the rest is the history, right? So if they were to say that this is my 1 minute elevator pitch, they would simply say DoorDash enables us every restaurant to deliver for customer. Food is delivered in less than 45 minutes. For restaurant owners, they manage the logistics and the delivery. Food delivery business is more than $100 billion market. Companies like Seamless and Grubhub, which is their competition, only aggregates leads, but they do not deliver. We manage our own logistics and partner with the merchants. We are growing 31% week over week and generated $1.5 million in sale for our restaurant partners. If you are interested to be part of our journey, please let us know. So, to be very precise, I think if these 4 or 5 points, if you are learning, understanding, you are gaining interest of the person you're talking to. It may be an investor on the other side, it may be a partner on the other side, it may be your team member. You want to get them on board on the other side. So, uh, once again, I believe that every business today should have a 1 minute elevator pitch ready for yourself and what you're doing and how you're doing in these 4 or 5 lines.
Anupji, if I can interrupt you, there are
Sure.
certain questions that
Sure.
people say that in Jito network they can interact with anybody. Now people are having inter-chapter, inter this zones. Can you suggest that they can find their co-founder also, investor also within the network, like interacting? So should they circulate their 1 minute pitch also in the referral meeting?
They ideally can. We have different platforms through which we are kind of calling for entries, etc. In the past, we have seen, and also in my personal experience with 30 plus startups where I have personally invested. So there is this initial. So I was working with a couple of companies. They were doing similar things. So what we simply did out there is we got them over for a coffee के लिए मिलाया उनको. उन दो एक बिजनेस वाला बंदा था, एक टेक्नोलॉजी वाला बंदा था. They both came together, and it was an unbelievable combination which got formed. So I think this is a great suggestion, and we can work towards it. Where and how there is at initial stages there are different kind of people trying to do similar kind of businesses or working on similar ideas. We can marry them together and play our role in that as well. So it's a good suggestion. We are not currently doing it, but it is a very workable thing, and I think we can be able to do that in a very easy manner. As currently we are at JIP, we are working with a complete startup ecosystem. You can say from the ideation to getting them funding and further on, right? So I think we have the spectrum of things. We have the bandwidth in terms of where there are a lot of people who are doing similar ideas we come across, and something like this can be inbuilt in the system.
Very thank you very much for the support. And now there are investor also, like a person like me who don't know about the startup but he want to invest. So there are a lot of people who want to passively invest. So is there any platform which you recommend, like Jito Angel Network or something like that?
Sure, I think G2 Angel Network is the platform to be currently, according to me, in very short time. What we have done, at the angel network. I think in India, we are the fastest growing angel network currently. और इसके थ्रू आप investment opportunities will be on your table or literally weekly basis, daily basis. We are screening like now more than 50 companies every month, and the number is growing every day when it comes to investment. And there are some opportunities which are coming, which are simply outstanding, and we will talk about them, that what sectors we are currently focusing on, etc., etc. But I think that's an opportunity. We have invested now around 60 crore rupees in INR terms through the platform, and I sincerely encourage everybody, because every one of us, when we started, it was our first investment and we had to take that first plunge. And it is not that we are working in an unprofessional manner. It is professionalism to the T, right? So I think that's where I think you need to be rest assured that whatever is coming out of the platform as deals, it is well filtered, it is well scrutinized before we are coming, and also a simple way early on. At least what I understand is, if there are some sector people, say if there is a solar related startup, and there is someone from our community who understands solar, and if he is part of that particular startup in investing through Jan, that's the easiest way to start and understand. And at the same time, I would say that give some time to it also. It is very important that once you invest, at least weekly give like half an hour to that. I'm not saying if from your schedule remove, you be passive investor, you don't be a lead investor or be an initiator, but you just give time to this asset class and this subject. If you do that as a combination, I think that is something which is going to help you. And this asset class, which is predominantly a risky asset class, if you do it uh, in a systematic manner over a period of time, I think this is the best asset class to have in your portfolio. That's what I would recommend.
तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आप सबको पता है कि हम मेट्रो में अगर एक फ्लैट भी खरीदते हैं तो 2-2.5 करोड़ का फ्लैट होता है। अगर आप 10-10 लाख के 25 स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो दैट आल्सो कुड बी अ रिस्की इन्वेस्टमेंट। बट अगर आप प्रोफेशनली जिफ के थ्रू जाएंगे, जीटो के एंजल नेटवर्क के थ्रू जाते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन ग्रेट स्टार्टअप। आज से 20 साल पहले अमेजोन में जिसने इन्वेस्ट किया था, आप समझ सकते हैं उसकी नेटवर्थ आज क्या रही होगी। तो देर आर unicorns in making, as Anup ji rightly said. More than 50-60 crore has been invested and there is a huge fund available for your idea to get the wings. यहाँ पे एक सवाल और आता है अनूप जी की, स्टार्टअप को आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी फंडिंग की, आपने उसको कोहोर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, इंक्यूबेशन की, लेकिन अब तीसरी अपॉर्चुनिटी जो जीटो बिजनेस नेटवर्क प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, और मेरे सारे चैप्टर कन्वीनर को कन्वीनर आज यहाँ पे हैं, would you like them to know about your startup which have been nurtured under Jito network, how they can get more business through Jito business network?
I think that's one of the best opportunity for us to sync up and do a lot of things in that lines. What does that mean? Basically, is that just to give you a background at G2 incubation, what do we do, right? We call for applications from companies. Then we screen those applications very minimalistically. We enroll them for what we call as a cohort. Cohort is nothing but a gathering of 20 odd startups, जिसके साथ में हम महीने भर तक का उनको अलग अलग सेशंस देते हैं। हम लोग उनके साथ में उनको एनालाइज करते हैं। At the same time, we let them understand what Jito as a platform is, JIP as a platform is, and we also assess them further. Once that process is done, हम उस स्टार्टअप को फॉर्मली इंक्यूबेट कर लेते हैं। इसका मतलब है कि वो जिफ का पार्ट बन जाता है। ऑफिशियली वी होल्ड सम इक्विटी इन दैट कंपनी, और उसके बाद में हम उसके हमारा खुद का एक बच्चा है, वैसे उसके साथ में हम लोग काम करने लगते हैं। वी आइडेंटिफाई वेयर वी कैन हेल्प देम, व्हाट इज समथिंग, बिकॉज अर्ली हर स्टेज के स्टार्टअप में उसको अलग रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है। तो वी आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट ही रिक्वायर्स टुडे, help them with those basic things when it is needed. When the startup crystallizes a little and there is a proper marketable product, That's the time the startup early on goes to the market. And these solutions, many a times, are very innovative solutions. They are first in the market, or they are simply, saving a lot of resources for someone who is buying their product, right? So that's the opportunity through JBN. I think when they are product ready, that's the time. I think if we can roll out, because ये सारे जैन बच्चे हैं, मतलब they are just part of us only. So if we can roll out their products early on, and let everyone know, जैसे बाहर जैसे चलता है, अर्ली प्रोडक्ट कुछ भी लॉन्च होता है, सो क्राउड सोर्सिंग, क्राउड फंडिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, उस तरीके का होता है। उसमें होता क्या है कि अर्ली ऑन देयर आर सम प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर लॉन्च्ड इन द मार्केट, एंड देयर आर अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स जो उसको अर्ली स्टेज पे अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं, यूज करते हैं, और साथ साथ में उनको बेनिफिट भी होता है उसका, प्लस दे हेल्प create that solution better, give solutions as well. So there can be different stages where we can introduce these companies once they are, very initial stage, and then when their product is really market ready, that's the best time, I think, where people will get ready solutions, which will not only, as a product will help them maybe in many businesses, because business to business भी काफी product होते हैं। तो जो new age businesses चाहते हैं, डिजिटाइजेशन चाहते हैं, ये सारे अपने बिजनेसेस को भी हेल्प करेंगे। तो इस तरीके के वी कैन डू एन एसोसिएशन, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट थॉट, आई थिंक, एंड वी शुड फॉर्मलाइज this association, and we can keep like what we can also something called like a demo day for products, right? We can simply call it for that. And every time, once in a quarter, if we have like 5 products ready, and we can just have that something like a demo day, and we can club it with the events what you all have. I think that could work out really well. So
Surely, अनूप जी, आपने जो बताया, अब हमें लगता है कि जब परिवार में एक नया सदस्य जुड़ता है, एक नया बच्चा आता है, तो उसको सभी लोग स्वागत करते हैं। तो जीटो बिजनेस नेटवर्क भी दोनों बाहें फैलाकर स्वागत करेगा। देयर आर प्रॉमिसिंग स्टार्टअप्स, हम इन्वेस्ट भी करेंगे, हम उनको धंधा भी देंगे। तो देयर इज अ गुड कोलैबोरेशन, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच। नाउ बिफोर वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सेशन, we first like to formally invite Sanjay Ji Jain, our JBN chairman, to basically bless us, guide us about this entire program, the way it is going. We are getting a lot of
हेलो।
yeah, Sanjay.
हाँ, सबको मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र। Sorry, my video is I have a problem with the network, so I'm keeping my video off. However, I think so. It's been a great 3-hour session, and I hope all of you who have stayed with us have really benefited. But this is just the beginning. कोई भी 10-15 मिनट में किसी को we cannot really give the whole ज्ञान or the whole presentation. This is just a starting point. It's like an appetizer. And I hope all of you अपने chapters में, अपने friend circle में, अपनी community में खासकर शेयर करेंगे। हमने हर एक सेशन को बहुत ही ध्यान से क्यूरेट किया था, क्योंकि बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस में हमको बहुत सी छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है विच वी फेस एवरी डे। अगर उसके आंसर आज नहीं मिल पाए हैं, आप अपने कन्वीनर के थ्रू कर सकते हैं, और हमारा जेबीएन बैंकिंग ग्रुप और जेपीएफ मिलकर उसका आपको जवाब जरूर देंगे। इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कंसल्टेंट्स टू गाइड यू, दे विल आल्सो हेल्प यू लोकेट द अप्रोप्रिएट कंसल्टेंट। स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस की जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मैंने चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखा है कि हम बहुत बार डोनेशन करते हैं भाइयों को हेल्प करने के लिए, पर मंथ कुछ दे रहे। आई थिंक सो उससे भी बड़ा हेल्प है अगर हमको आत्मनिर्भर बना सके, उनके उनके स्किल्स के हिसाब से उनको मैच करके उनको ऐसा काम दे सके दैट दे डोंट नीड टू आस्क एनीवन फॉर एनीथिंग। they can earn their own livelihood, and एक सस्टेनेबल बिजनेस मॉडल उनका खुद का बने, अर्निंग मॉडल, कि वो सालों तक अपने और अपने परिवार को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके, सस्टेन कर सके, and can earn for them. So please share these SSB opportunities. You have the details of both our SSB conveners also, निमेश भाई and चंद्रगुप्त जी। कोई इशू आप उनसे शेयर करें, और क्योंकि हर एक आदमी के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि वो एपेक्स के मेंबर से मैच करे, or chapter level, and I 100% assure you they will connect you and direct you to the right place. Startups के लिए जिफ को मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Very crisp and pointed presentation. That's what JBM always believe, that we should be very focused to deliver. हमें general बातें नहीं बोलनी, हमें focus बातें बोलनी है जो actionable points में हो सके. I like to personally thank JIF, Youth Wing, and JPF for having associated with JBN and supporting us to deliver better value to all the Jito members and the community at large. और FDT जो launch हुआ है, it can be a big game changer. आपको regional से national बना सकती है और आपको घर बैठे एक trusted partner मिल सकता है जिससे आप अपना as a franchiser एक business शुरू कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये सब opportunities आप तभी avail कर पाएंगे if you really make that extra effort. किसी ने कहा है बिना मांगे भगवान भी कुछ नहीं देते हैं. सो मेरा यही कहना है, नेटवर्किंग सेशन शुरू होने वाला है. प्लीज बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक इन आस्किंग व्हाट यू वांट, क्योंकि जो मांगेगा उसे ही मिलेगा. इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ वेरी स्पेसिफिकली एंड आस्क व्हाट यू वांट, बिकॉज़ जेबीएन का मतलब ही है कि आप मांगे, और जब आप मांगेंगे तो पूरा जो जेबीएन का सिस्टम है वो अपने आप एनेबल हो जाएगा टू ट्राई टू हेल्प यू. मैं नहीं कहूंगा आपका हर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा, हर चीज का जवाब मिलेगा, लेकिन एक सिंसियर एफर्ट हमारी जेबीएन टीम हर बार करती आ रही है और करती आएगी. एंड आई एम श्योर एट द एंड ऑफ 2 years most of us who have enrolled or have connected with JBM will find some of the other value delivered, किसी को ज्यादा किसी को कम. So Rishabh ji, हमारे chief secretary, is a powerhouse and nothing would be complete without thanking him. उन्होंने single handedly, और मैं बड़े गर्व के साथ कह सकता हूँ, just in 4 months of our team formation, not even 4 months, 3 months plus, मतलब मेरा practically बिना किसी intervention के इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम हम लोग लॉन्च कर पाए, सक्सेसफुली कनेक्ट कर पाए. I think so the whole credit goes to Rishabh ji, Siddesh ji, Praveen ji, and all our Apex committee people for having connecting and ensuring this program happens. So referral के बाद में कोई रहेगा नहीं, इसलिए मैं अभी ही सबको थैंक्स भी कहना चाहूंगा और आपसे आगे की सपोर्ट भी मांगूंगा. Connect and please tell us what you want. आपको अगर कोई भी चीज लगे, कोई आइडियाज आए, तो कोई भी जेबीएम पॉइंट जो आपके पास है सबसे नजदीक, उससे कम्युनिकेट करें, अपने आइडिया शेयर करें. बिकॉज हम तो एक सिस्टम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बट इट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कि जो ऑडियंस को चाहिए वो उनको मिले और वो कम्युनिकेट हो. और मैं खुद कह सकता हूँ, मेरे 4.5 साल के पीरियड में जिसमें मैं जेबीएम के एकदम जन्म से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, you connecting with such amazing people. It's not about just business. It's about the network you create for small things in life. आपको एक क्लिक ऑफ द बटन में कोई ना कोई हेल्प करने वाला मिल जाता है, और जब कोई एकता विश्वासी अपना खुद का कोई मिलता है तो उसकी बात ही अलग रहती है. So with these words, thank you all once again. JBN will keep connecting you at various intervals. Join us and guide us, advise us about wherever you feel you're not adding value. Because हमारा ध्येय है कि हम जनरल ज्ञान नहीं बांटना चाहते, हम बड़ा स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू एडिशन देना चाहते हैं आप लोग सबको. But yes, efforts need improvement always, and we hope that all of you will improve. So let Jito Business Network rock, either as an enabler or as an engager. जो आपको अच्छा लगे, जिसका आपको समय हो. हमारे इंडस्ट्री ग्रुप्स का नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम, टेक्सटाइल का इंडस्ट्री ग्रुप का प्रोग्राम 12 फरवरी को होने जा रहा है, और हमने ये भी एक यूनिक कंसेप्ट है जहां हमने 40 इंडस्ट्री ग्रुप को आइडेंटिफाई किए जो अपने आप में एक मिनी चेंबर के हिसाब से नेशनल लेवल पर काम करेंगे. We had phenomenal opportunities coming up. We had a gem in jewelry, and we'll have many other industry programs coming up. आप कहीं कोई एक्टिव होना चाहे, आपको लगे कि आपको कुछ कम्युनिटी को सर्विस करने के लिए कुछ करने की इच्छा हो, तो प्लीज कनेक्ट अगेन. We'll surely find some or the other opportunity for you to work, either within some industry, either in some committee, somewhere or the other. Thank you very much. सबको मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. Back to you, Rishabh ji, for the last networking, which is the most critical thing. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank you दोस्तों. Thank you Sanjay ji for your blessings.